Hey y'all, what's the difference between washed eggshell? That means you're washing the inside, getting the inside uh, proteins and stuff out of it, and leaving it in there, sticky mess. Well, here you go. Here this is. It doesn't break down as good. And it has a damp feeling to it. So for storing, this could mold on you. And here's the washed egg, how the eggshell breaks down and it's dry. So there's a difference. See the yellow? See the white? This is the way I do it. But my husband doesn't always wash his eggs out, so his comes out like this. And I don't put them together. I keep them stored separate. Because this is what in hard times, if you didn't have calcium, this is what you would use to get your calcium. Mix it a little water and let it dissolve a little bit and strain it. And this is what you would be taking for your calcium. Well, this is okay for plants, but you wouldn't want to drink it because it's not going to really be sanitary if you don't wash that eggshell out. So I prefer this to save this up for hard times. It's really dry. Opposed to this, feels more damp. Hear that? Now hear this. Well, got a little helper here. Get down. What are you doing up there? So anyway, one of the reasons why I do mine this way, because it's good for human consumption. This one wouldn't be good for human consumption. And see how this doesn't break down as fine as this. So anyway, these are the eggs that have not been washed. And here's his bowl. And they're just a gooey, sticky mess. That's okay for your garden composting. But for human consumption, you want to wash your eggs and dry them. And don't mix them. Okay, that's just a short clip on eggshells.